The primary risk with white label website builders isn't the software, but the business strategy. Most agencies don't fail because of technical development, but because they haven't aligned with their target audience, the complexity of the build, and the volume of requests. In this video, we'll define what a true white label website builder means, what are the real cost drivers behind pricing, the 3 pricing models, hourly, project, retainer, and simple rules to help you choose the right one based on volume, predictability, and complexity. First, white label isn't just outsourcing. True white label is website building under your brand, invisibly, like it came from your team. That invisibility changes what you're paying for. Clients communicate with you, you hold the relationship, the provider handles iterations and technical issues, the provider delivers without exposing vendors or outsourced vibes. So pricing isn't just hours of dev, it's labor, plus invisibility, plus brand continuity. And this is where platforms like TameWeb can be a strong fit because the white label experience is designed into the system. You're not stitching together freelancers, hosting, staging, and handoff tools. You're running a repeatable delivery pipeline. Now, if you've ever gotten different quotes from the same site and thought, how can this be real? It is real, because pricing depends on a handful of predictable cost drivers. Page count and structure. 5 pages and 25 pages is not a small difference. Design complexity. Custom layouts and interactions take time. E-commerce. Products, variants, shipping, taxes, checkout. This is never just a few pages. Custom functionality. Bookings, memberships, integrations, dynamic content, revisions. Every revision cycle is production time. Timeline. Rush means someone else's work gets bumped. And ongoing maintenance. That means hosting, updates, performance, fixes, sometimes bundled, sometimes separate. There are 3 dominant pricing models in white label. Each can be profitable, but only under the right conditions. Model number 1 is hourly. Hourly is best when scope is unclear, work is technical, you need flexibility. Hourly protects you from unknowns as long as you control scope and communication. If you don't, hourly becomes infinite meeting tax. Model 2, project-based. Project pricing works when you sell packages, deliverables are clear, you can standardize. Project pricing is great for margins until you let every small request turn into a custom build. Project pricing is only profitable when you define what's inside the box and what isn't. Model 3, subscription or retainer. Subscription or retainer works when you have consistent volume, ongoing edits or maintenance are common, and you want predictable delivery costs. Retainers are great when you're not doing projects. You're running a production engine. Builds, edits, improvements, support every month. This is exactly where TameWeb tends to be strongest for agencies and partners. It's built for repeatable volume. You can spin up sites quickly, keep them editable, and keep delivery consistent, so your monthly pricing isn't held hostage by rebuild time. Here's the simplest way to choose the right model without destroying your margins. Choose based on 3 inputs. Volume. How many sites or how many active client requests do you ship per month? Predictability. Is your scope consistent, or does every client reinvent the wheel? Complexity. Are these marketing sites or sites with product-like functionality? Now apply the rule. Low volume plus low predictability plus high complexity, that is hourly. Medium volume plus high predictability plus moderate complexity, that's project-based. High volume plus repeatable requests plus ongoing edits, that's subscription or retainer. Most agencies choose a model based on what sounds simple, but you should choose based on how your pipeline behaves. If your answer is high volume plus repeatable, then your provider should look more like a platform-enabled pipeline than a one-off dev shop. Last piece, choosing a provider. With white label solutions for website building, you're not really buying development, you're buying a delivery partner. The provider should match your model, operational overhead. Some white label options are basically labor, meaning you still stitch together hosting, staging, edits, handoffs, and ongoing fixes. If you need high volume output, look for systems that support throughput, repeatable workflows, fast production, clean handoffs. If you need a custom build, look for strong QA, senior dev capacity, and clear scope controls. If you need ongoing work, look for retainer structures, response time SLAs, and maintenance processes. And the biggest non-negotiable in white label is this: if they can deliver invisibly under your brand, your workflow, your standards, it's not white label, it's outsourcing, and your client will feel the difference. If you want repeatable delivery, TameWeb is a solid fit because it gives you a consistent workflow. Generate a strong site fast, refine it in a visual editor, and keep ongoing edits in the same system. So the takeaway is simple. White label doesn't fail because of dev. It fails because you didn't price for risk plus revisions plus complexity plus urgency. Choose the pricing model that matches your volume, predictability, and complexity, and white label becomes leverage, not stress.